In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Apple Pay on your device and seamlessly use it with the Uber Eats app for a smooth and efficient checkout experience. Whether you're an Apple enthusiast or new to the ecosystem, this guide will help you streamline your payment process so that enjoying your favorite meals is as easy as a few taps on your screen. Let's start with setting up Apple Pay. First, you'll need to open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. This app acts as a virtual credit and debit card holder right on your device, providing a secure way to manage your payment methods. Once you're inside the Wallet app, it's time to add a credit or debit card. Be sure that the card you're adding is valid, meaning it's currently active and accepted. Simply tap the plus sign or add card option and follow the on-screen instructions to either scan your card or enter the details manually. In some cases, your bank may require additional verification steps, so be ready to confirm these details for a successful setup. With Apple Pay now set up on your device, let's move on to the Uber Eats app. Launching the app should feel familiar if you've ordered food before. On your iOS device, find the Uber Eats app icon and open it to access the world of culinary delights at your fingertips. Navigating to your wallet is your next step. Your wallet on Uber Eats is where all your payment methods are stored, making it easy to manage how you pay for your orders. To find it, tap the account icon, which might resemble a small person or a menu icon, often depicted as three horizontal lines. Then select Wallet from the list of options. Now that you're in the wallet section of Uber Eats, it's time to add Apple Pay as a payment method. Under the payment methods section, look for the Apple Pay option. It's often straightforward to find, and once you locate it, tap Add Payment. This is where enabling Apple Pay comes into play. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These steps will guide you through enabling Apple Pay as a preferred payment method, ensuring a seamless transaction the next time you order your favorite meal. Finally, when you're ready to check out after choosing your delicious meal, make sure to select Apple Pay as your payment method during the checkout process. This selection allows you to pay with the card you added to your Apple Wallet earlier, utilizing Apple Pay's efficient and secure system to complete the transaction quickly. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to setting up and using Apple Pay with Uber Eats. Being able to effortlessly tap and pay brings convenience to a whole new level. Enjoy your meals and the simplicity of Apple Pay with every order. Thanks for watching and happy eating.